Hello dear students, me again, I'm Carmen and I'm trying to make the second tutorial today and explain to you how to work with the rich editor. So I'm logging in the site MOODLE. I'm on my profile already. Okay, so I'm going back to my courses. Okay, week 1 introduction, sorry. Then I'll scroll down to Rich Editor on MOODLE. And I'm trying to add a new discussion in which to work on. The subject would be Rich Editor. Then I'm toggling the toolbar to see that we can paragraph it in different formats. We have the bold, we have the italic, we have the bulleted list, we have the numbered list, how to insert or edit links, how to unlink them. I'll try to insert an image. For that, I will try to insert my nephew's image. Oh, it hasn't been saved. It's better if I drag it here. Okay. It has been loaded. So I'll go back and rewrite the subject, Rich Editor. Okay, so once again, I inserted an image. I can use the font size. I could go with larger. Then I would like to choose here a color for my title. Let's put it pink. Rich Editor. Then I can use a bulleted list and I will write something with, I select bold. Let's change the color. I will change the color, let's say with aqua, and I will write it in italics. I choose italic, and I will write an introduction. Hello, my name is Carmen. Then I will choose a numbered list, or I can undo it from here. Okay. What else can we do? We can insert an emoji. I will choose approve. I hope you approve of my work and explanations. I could choose a MOODLE media, but not today. From here we can embed files. I can choose a math type, a math equation. Let's say this one. I press OK to make the editor more. And I can paste some plain text. I will copy from somewhere, from a document, let's say. No, because that is my picture. I will close it. I will open a file and I will choose something in Romanian so that you can see Romanian. I will copy it and paste it here. Okay, then we can change the color again, aqua this time, and I will write something about my family. I have 2 sons, Vlad and Codruț. I will choose to change my color, blue. I love my family very much. Okay, what else can we do? We can find, we can replace from here. I will change the font size back. I can choose to draw a picture. I'm not very good at pictures, but I will try to make some dots. I will save that picture. I will insert it. I hope it has been saved. Yes. Then for my next I will increase indent from here, or I can align center and write something. Let's make it on the whole screen. I must go back. Okay. And write something. What can I write? Align center. This one I will align it to the left. Okay. And I will write my final comments, let's say with bold and in italics. Love you. See you next time. Then I will scroll down and I will post my information on the forum. Okay, as you can see, it has been already saved on the forum. So we will close this tutorial for now, and I will upload it later. See you!